Hey, welcome back. How did it go so far? So far, so good, yes? Very, very simple, isn't it, right? So look, one income stream is great, right? Would you agree? Getting paid from one direction is awesome, but what if we could get paid from multiple directions? Here's what I'm talking about. You know, this is you right here, because this is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do right now in this step. Okay? One of the things that we have here that's really, really, really amazing with the system that we have built, nothing like this has ever been built before in the existence, online here, at least to my knowledge. Okay? And I've been, doing this for 13 years. I've seen a lot. As far as simplicity, effectiveness, how well it works, I have not seen anything even remotely close to what we got here. Look, this is you, okay? Most people are getting paid from one direction, okay, online. Now, you take a look at any truly wealthy entrepreneur, grounded entrepreneur. You look at any millionaire, online millionaire, any entrepreneur that is like really doing it, at a big level. Here's what you're gonna notice. Most of them, if not all of them, they have income coming in from this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, all kinds of directions, right? Now, why is this important? Well, the reason this is important is because, look, like I told you before, right? If you're watching these videos, you never, ever, ever, ever depend on anything that's one, okay? If you have just one income stream, what happens is that income stream dries up. You're on the street. A lot of people are depending on just one income stream. What we wanted to do is we wanted to create an ecosystem, which is brilliant, okay? And we pulled it off. It's incredible. That allows you to get paid by all these different companies, okay, that are all synergistic. Okay, they're symbiotic. They're non-competing, but yet they each complement each other, and it's set up in a way that just makes sense. Let me explain to you how this works, and I'm going to show you exactly how do you get it set up. Okay, and I'm going to show you some examples of the power of this system. Okay, so check this out. The funnel that you have just set up, okay, in the previous step, if you're following this, the funnel that you have just set up, hopefully you set it up, right? Is the 4% native funnel. Okay, one of the funnels is we have like the 7 steps funnel, for example, right? So you have somebody coming in here. Okay, you have this person. Okay, he comes in. Okay, you referred him to the 4%. Okay, this is your funnel. This is your 4% funnel. Okay. Again, remember, you can be promoting the 4% directly, or you can be promoting any one of our products, okay? The process works the same, okay? It doesn't matter what you do. Now, this person goes through through your 4%. They're coded to you, okay? They're coded to you. Now, if you are a free level member, okay, you just earned commission when this person goes here, and let's say they became a pro level member. Okay, you just earned a commission. Now, what happens is this person, okay, he wants to be an entrepreneur. Now, just like if I was to build a house, like say I'm shooting this video right now, I need some very, very basic tools to be able to shoot a video and talk to you through the video like this, right? So what do I need? I need a camera. Kind of hard to shoot a video for me without a camera. Would you agree? It's kind of hard for me to build a building without a hammer. You know what I mean? So some very, very basic tools that I will need to get anyways. When it comes to online marketing, what do we need? We need an autoresponder, right? So this person, if he doesn't have an autoresponder, he's going over here, and when he's going through his setup, okay, of the 4%, one of the things that we'll tell him to do is say, you know what, you need to get an autoresponder. Okay, there's GetResponse, Aweber, Infusionsoft, Meropost, all these great companies out there that he can choose. Okay, another thing he needs is an ability to have some sort of a funnel builder or a landing page creator system, right? It's kind of non-negotiable. It's a very basic tool that everybody needs. It's kind of like I cannot write anything without a marker. Okay, I can just use my finger. Simple example, right? So he needs like a funnel creator. Okay, and we use ClickFunnels for that. Tracking system, okay. Tracking system, okay. So these are, let's say, some of the most basic tools. I'm about to show you the power of it. You will be blown away. This is craziest thing ever, okay, in the best way possible. So just between these three, okay, these companies, okay, when he purchases, okay, if you become a pro level member of the 4%, this stuff right here is optional. You don't have to do it right now. If you just want to remain a free member, you don't have to worry about it. But I want to show you the power of it. And I think if you're a smart entrepreneur, if you can see, the big picture here, it is really going to be a no-brainer for you. It's something that's really, really going to be a no-brainer, especially after what I'm about to show you here in just a moment. Proof of the concept, right? It's incredible. Let's assume that you are a free level member and you want to resume to be a free level member. When your person that you referred goes and purchases any one of these tools, okay, you don't get any of these commissions, okay? These commissions get passed up to the house, okay? Now, let's say that you are like most of our people. You said, you know what, I want to be a pro level member. By the way, we'll give you a discount if that's what you want. Totally optional, totally up to you, but it's available to you right now, okay? Let's say you wanted to become a pro level member. And same scenario, okay? You have somebody coming through your funnel that you have set up, and this person goes and gets an autoresponder, okay? And he gets a ClickFunnels account, okay? And he gets a tracking system. You will be able to set up multiple streams of income. So in other words, you will activate this ecosystem that we have built into this entire platform, okay, that allows you to get commission checks from these different companies. There's like 8 or 9 different income streams that's available right now. We call them picks and shovels. These are not like product sales necessarily, because he will buy them anyways. He's gonna get him from somebody else anyways. Why not get him from you, through you? But here's the beautiful part about it. Your links are displayed dynamically. This means to you that you can get paid by all these different companies here, get additional checks coming into you, okay, without you having to do anything whatsoever, without you having to lift a finger. This is truly amazing system. Here's how it works. When this person sets it up, okay, I'm about to show you how you activate your multiple streams of income here in a moment. Very, very simple. All you do is you put your affiliate IDs, and then when he purchases an autoresponder, this company pays you money. This company pays you money. This company pays you money directly. So you have a check coming in from the 4%, okay, for this person upgrading here, but then you have a check coming in from an autoresponder, from ClickFunnels account, and from the tracking technologies, any of the other picks and shovels. Maybe he buys a domain name. You see what I'm saying? Brilliant, powerful, incredible. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So you have like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different checks coming from different directions. Hey, you get bills. You get electricity bill. You get gas bill. You get credit card bills, telephone bills, etc., etc. Why not get multiple checks? Good idea, yes? How powerful is this system really? Well, we have some members, okay, that have generated tens of thousands of dollars, okay? Let me show you one of the demo accounts. It's been, how long has it been? At the time of me shooting this video, it's been about just over 6 months we have been running tests, okay, with this concept, okay? Fairly new concept. Let me show you what this has done for one of the demo accounts here, okay? So take a look at this. Let's say ClickFunnels here, okay? I'm gonna show you, take a look at my screen here. This is a ClickFunnels account, okay? See this? $59,470, okay? $59,000. So far today, look, $152 today. Last 7 days, $1,400. Okay, last 30 days, $7,900. This is income that is getting paid by this company called ClickFunnels, one of the companies that we recommend, okay, for funnel building. I did not have to do a single promotion. I did not have to talk to anybody about it. I did not have to spend a dime on promoting their product to get paid $59,000, to generate $59,000 in commissions that is already paid out to our bank account, right, for this particular demo account, $47,000. And you know what's really, really cool about it? This is monthly recurring income. Shows up every month, every month, every month, every month. How awesome is it? Just one of multiple streams of income, just one of many, okay? Let me show you another one. Let me show you, here's ClickMagic, okay? This is a tracking technology that we recommend and endorse. Again, one of the demo accounts here. Take a look at this, $20,000. This particular income stream has already paid out in affiliate commissions, okay, to our PayPal account. Again, demo account. This has been just over 6 months of running these tests. Totally different company, totally different income stream. I did not have to spend a single dime on generating this type of commissions. You see the power of it? Okay. You want me to show you something really, really crazy? Okay, talking about autoresponder. These are little commissions. You know, autoresponder pays you $5, $3, $10, depending what company people get, but it's monthly recurring, and it adds up. Okay, take a look at this. Here is an autoresponder called GetResponse. Okay, and this is an older account that we have been running. But again, I did not spend a single dime on promoting this autoresponder. It's all as a result of the system doing its work. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to my stats as affiliate. I'm gonna go to my commissions here. Okay, so take a look at this: $337,634 US. Okay, 21,000 euros. Okay, 14,000 pounds. So 337,000. $337,000. I did not spend a single dime on promoting GetResponse directly. It's all been done because of the ecosystem. See what I'm saying? Now, how do you do this? Okay, are you fired up yet or what? Come on, tell me. We have a lot of members. If you go to a Facebook group that are getting paid from 5, 6, 7, 8 different directions, multiple streams, right? Multiple checks coming in from multiple companies because they have their multiple streams of income activated as a member of the 4%. And they're basically just following the system. Okay, they're just doing what they're supposed to be doing anyways. Okay, make sense? So you don't do any selling directly. You don't do any extra promoting. There is no extra effort on your part for you to activate all these income streams. Now there's a little caveat here. You must be a pro level member. Okay, you must be a pro. You must be a pro level member. Free level, this does not apply to. Okay, obviously for obvious reasons. What I'm giving you here is I'm literally giving you the Rolls Royce of the industry, right? Basically giving you this $500,000 vehicle and saying, hey, here are the keys. It's yours. The title is yours. All you got to do is just got to fuel it up a little bit, right? So this entire, what you pay for you can upgrade to the pro level membership. I'm not going to quote the price here. I don't even know what's available right now at the time you're shooting this video. You know, we run, some specials sometimes from time to time. So you might still be eligible for a discount depending when you're watching this, depending when you got in, how fast you take the action, that kind of stuff. But you can become a pro level member for, I believe, as low as $49 per month. All that does is going to cover your hosting for these systems. It's going to cover your maintenance of all this stuff that we maintain for you, we take care of for you, we host it for you. There is no additional cost for you as far as from the 4% is concerned. Make sense? And so what you can do is right below this video, you will see step number 1 is if you are not a pro level member yet, I'm going to encourage you, I'm going to invite you, okay, to go ahead and get yourself upgraded to the pro level member. Hopefully you have seen the orientation video, step number 1, okay? Hopefully you see the big picture. You got your funnel set up, you got your payment account set up. I encourage you to activate your multiple streams of income, okay? Because it will multiply your income, okay? It's a fact, it's a proven fact. So go ahead and follow the steps right below this video. Step number 1, if you're not a pro level member, just go ahead and get yourself upgraded. Step number 2 is you will click and be taken to the multiple streams of income activation, which will look like this. Okay, you will be taken to this page here, and you will go to step 2 here and the quick setup, and you will click on multiple streams of income, MSI. You'll watch this video, and it explains to you exactly how to, like Techademics. Okay, people are getting paid up to $15,000, potentially up to $15,000 per sale, just from this one income stream alone. Okay, there's your click funnels. All you gotta do is, again, you can watch a video. This video shows you how to set up your affiliate account. You just fill out your affiliate ID. Okay, you click here to set up your ClickFunnels account. Watch the video. Boom, just go ahead and go through the process. Take a little bit of time, set it up, because what you're doing is you're setting it up once. You will get your affiliate IDs, you will fill it in here, okay? You will save this, okay? And then the entire system, the entire ecosystem, it's a smart system, okay? Your links will be reflected dynamically to anybody that comes in Okay, anybody that you refer to the system or anybody that you sell the product to, it doesn't have to be just a 4% product. It can be any other products from our portfolio. The model is the same. Let's say we market an insurance training, okay, or how to, we're going into the insurance industry or real estate industry. Let's say this is one of the funnels for real estate, okay, and you referred a real estate agent, and a product that the real estate agent purchased, okay, let's say it's one of the funnels, that teaches him how to build a list in his real estate, how to build his agency, how to get more listings, etc., etc. Guess what? He will need these basic tools to be able to run his business. Make sense? So it's a no-brainer. He'll get it anyways. You might as well get the commissions passed on to you instead of the house. Does that make sense? So here's what you need to do. Step number 1 below the video. If you would like to become a pro level member, highly encourage you to do that, because you'll be collecting. You'll activate your multiple streams of income. If you're a free level member, multiple streams of income is not available to you. And so just keep that in mind, okay? Go ahead and follow the instructions below this video. Get it done, and I'll see you in the next step.